Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into the world of two-stroke excitement with the new 2026 Yamaha YZ125. A bike that's been the heart of motocross dreams for decades, the YZ125 continues to evolve while staying true to its lightweight, high-revving heritage. The 2026 model refines performance, handling, and technology to keep this legend leading the pack. Let's take a closer look at what makes the new YZ125 a standout in its class. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 sports a refreshed design inspired by Yamaha's factory racing machines. The new bodywork is slimmer and more aerodynamic, providing improved rider ergonomics and better control on tight tracks. Yamaha's signature blue color scheme is complemented by bold new graphics, giving the bike an aggressive, race-ready look. The lightweight aluminum frame maintains its rigidity while reducing unnecessary mass, keeping the bike perfectly balanced between agility and strength. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 YZ125 lies its iconic 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled two-stroke engine, now optimized for sharper throttle response and smoother power delivery across the rev range. Yamaha engineers have refined the exhaust and carburetor settings for improved mid-range torque and acceleration. The 6-speed transmission has been fine-tuned for faster shifting, and the suspension setup, featuring KYB components, delivers exceptional handling on both jumps and corners. Lighter wheels and improved traction add to its race-winning potential. Safety and technology. While the YZ125 remains a pure racing machine, Yamaha hasn't ignored the importance of control and reliability. The braking system has been upgraded with larger front rotors and improved calipers for better stopping performance. The cockpit is designed for rider comfort, with an adjustable clutch lever, grippy seat, and durable foot pegs that provide excellent control even in tough conditions. The digital maintenance meter adds a touch of modern convenience, keeping track of service intervals. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 is proof that two-stroke passion is alive and thriving. With refined power, sharper handling, and race-inspired design, it's built for riders who crave precision and performance. Whether you're a seasoned racer or just starting your motocross journey, the YZ125 delivers the thrill that only a Yamaha can. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and updates on the latest machines redefining the ride.